Hello everyone, this video is on my motorcycle lift. It's a direct lift, which I've had for about 5 to 6 years now and never made a video. One thing you'll notice, the ramp originally comes with a 2-foot center section, and then I bought the ATV sides, which are a foot on each side, so in total it makes it 4 feet across. One of the modifications I did is I painted a red strip going down the center, so when I push the bike on, it makes it easier to line up with the chuck up front. Another thing I like is you can pull the 2 pins out and that plate comes out. So if your bike is jacked up on a stand, you can rotate the wheel. Or I also found out if you have a lawnmower, you can put it on top of the bucket underneath and change the oil easy. Another thing I put on the front is a spray can holder, which holds my tire chain lube and other accessories out of the way in the corner. Another nice thing about this direct lift, the tire chuck is adjustable from the front all the way back to 28 inches. You can see where the holes go if you have a smaller bike. The other thing that's nice about these lifts, it has adjustable heights, and at the top position right now is 31 inches off the ground, which is perfect for working. And also it can go, the safety stops can go a lot lower. Also, it's air over hydraulic, and here's your foot pedal. The only other thing I did is I put a regulator on there to control the air pressure because I didn't want to turn down my air compressor. And to raise the bike virtually takes no effort at all. And to lower it, it's just that easy. And that's a quick review of the direct lift motorcycle lift, and it's worked flawless for 6 years now. Thanks for watching.